In this video, I'm going to be covering some remote work from home jobs where you can get paid upwards of $30 per hour. And a lot of these jobs are jobs where the primary responsibility will be doing emailing or data entry or some other administrative type of task. And these jobs aren't support related, or at least most of these jobs aren't support related, so you won't have to be on the phones or you won't need to be using Teams or be in a lot of calls or in a lot of meetings. So if you're looking for something that is data entry related, something where you're only sending emails or doing a lot of typing or doing administrative related tasks, then be sure to stick around to the end of this video because those are the job leads that I have for you guys today. And today I'm going to be covering a couple of jobs here. I'd say probably close to 10 different jobs. So again, these jobs will range anywhere from paying just about like $45,000 per year all the way up to around $70,000 per year. So be sure to stick around to the very end so you can hear about all these new job opportunities. Now, before I get into that, just want to remind you guys, if you haven't already done so, if the primary reason you came over to this channel was to find remote work from home jobs or methods of making money online remotely, be sure to go over to my second channel, which is this channel right here. This is the work from home channel, and this is where I'm currently posting all the highest paying remote work from home job leads that I can find online. So if you look at some of the recent videos, just in case you've missed out on any of these, paying over $50 per hour doing online healthcare, being a coordinator, no experience required, and also being able to make $23 per hour, $28 per hour, easy work from home job that doesn't require you to be on the phones, data support analyst position paying over $1,800 per week. So some really good high paying positions are covered on this channel, and these include part-time jobs, full-time jobs, overnight jobs, jobs with flexible schedules where you can pretty much fit that around your current schedule. Also, we cover worldwide jobs here, so you'll find videos, for example, this one, over 100 jobs that you could do worldwide, paying over $1,300 per week. So again, if you haven't already done so, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to this channel. More importantly, be sure to tap the notification bell right here. That way you never miss out on another high paying job lead, because it seems as if that's the only way that YouTube will actually send out notifications if you are subscribed. So with that covered, let's go ahead and dive into the job leads for today. Now, job leads are going to be coming out of this company. It's Meritech, and this is something that I covered on the work from home channel previously, but I only covered probably 3 or 4 positions here that were higher paying remote work from home positions. Now, one thing about this company is that they're hiring in several different countries. So you'll see jobs here like this is a remote position in the United States right here. Then they have jobs here in India. They have jobs listed here for Mexico. And if you go through the list here, you'll find that not all these jobs are US only. You can actually find opportunities in other countries as well, specifically Mexico and India. Now, as for the remote work from home job opportunities, I won't go through every single one because there's quite a bit. So what I'll do is I'll leave the link to their careers page, and this way whichever one of these jobs appeals to you, you can then go ahead and apply to the job. So the link will be down below in the description. But currently they have a opening here for a security ops analyst level 3. This is a remote work from home position in the US. And just looking at the responsibilities of this job right here, it says that this role will contribute to organizational audits, internal assessments, information gathering, security questionnaire documentation, compliance suggestions, and client assessments. And this may include being able to work closely with network and system administrators, also working with developers and IT personnel to assist with identified security vulnerability mitigations. And for a job like this, they're looking for someone that has excellent communication skills, also experience with regulatory compliance IT frameworks, and these are some of the frameworks here included, so you'd have to be familiar with these. Also, knowledge of emerging technologies, understanding of applicable laws, critical thinking and problem solving skills, education, looking for someone that preferably has the CISSP certification. Also, CISA or CISM is highly desirable. Security Plus or similar would be a plus. Cybersecurity specific degree, that would be a plus as well. And for a job like this, the salary range is anywhere from $100,000 to $110,000 per year, and you could also be eligible for annual bonuses here. Now, this company does give some really good benefits, so you get health, dental, and vision insurance. You also get a 401k plan with employer match, PTO, 11 paid holidays, for annual paid wellness days off, and some other benefits as well. Now, most of the jobs here are going to have mostly the same type of benefits. The only thing that will be different is the salary. So this is one remote position. If we go through the list here, we can find some other remote positions. I'll only look at the ones for the US in this video, but again, if you are in Mexico or India, then there's some jobs here that you can apply to which are remote in those countries as well, so keep that in mind. So this is one that I covered on the work from home channel before, a legal billing analyst, also a law firm services associate, and a occupational health services specialist level 1. Well, that's a job for Mexico. Other jobs here would include like a graphic designer. This is another position that I covered previously on the work from home channel just about a day ago. They have another new one here, probably posted today, field marketing manager, HR compliance. This is another remote work from home job in the United States. For this job, the field marketing manager will be responsible for driving lead generation, managing trade shows and conferences, and executing account-based marketing campaigns by leveraging a content marketing strategy. They'll also collaborate closely with HR experts, content, sales, and account teams, also utilize data to uncover marketing opportunities, oversee content creation, email campaigns, social media, and paid digital initiatives. And for this job, they're looking for someone that has 4 to 7 years of experience in field marketing, also proven track record of successful content marketing strategies. They want someone that has proficiency in Marketo, Salesforce, Asana, and 6sense. Also, if you do have familiarity with data analysis and reporting tools, that would be good. And a bachelor's degree in marketing, business, or a related field. And the salary range for this position is $90,000 to $100,000 per year. So paying really well, and you get the same benefits for this job as well. And if we take a look at some of the other positions they have open here, so those were 2 positions in the US. They do have some other positions here in the US as well. So they have a inbound sales development representative. They have a enterprise customer success manager, strategic account manager. They also have like a implementation specialist, benefits advisor level 2. They have a technical support engineer level 1, and these would be all the jobs in the US. Now, some of these say new probably because they were posted probably a day ago before I covered the jobs that I covered on the work from home channel. So another position here, benefit advisor level 2. In this position, this is what you'll be doing. So here it says, as a benefits advisor, you'll be at the forefront of providing invaluable health, welfare, and retirement benefit best practices, also compliance guidance to small and medium-sized businesses across the United States. Also, for this job, they are looking for someone that has strong customer service skills, proven experience in a applied environment such as 2 years of experience working in the employee benefits field focusing on health, welfare, and retirement benefits, or 2+ years of experience acting as a external advisor or some equivalent combination of the above. Also, general understanding of rules and federal laws that apply to the field of health, welfare, and retirement benefits. Ability to organize efficiently, manage multiple priorities with a keen sense of urgency, ability and willingness to become fluent in using a variety of productivity software applications, including Microsoft Office, SharePoint, Slack, and their case management system. And the salary range for this position is $62,000 to $78,000 per year. Again, all these jobs are 100% remote work from home jobs. For these ones that I'm looking for, they're inside the US and you get the same really good benefits and perks here. So I'll go ahead and I'll leave the link down below to the careers page here so you guys could apply to any of these jobs that you are interested in. Also, we could take a look at some of these. So enterprise customer success manager position here, another remote work from home job position. And as the enterprise customer success manager, here you will be supporting the enterprise partners and their clients, collaborate cross-functionally with customer support, sales, account management, HR services, existing channel partners, and marketing to bring the partner voice of their product strategy and roadmap, responsible for engagement, best practices, methodologies, and retention, provide customer trainings across all product lines to channel partners and clients as needed, set appropriate expectations and advise partners and clients, collaborate with marketing, collaborate with account managers, develop and deliver trainings that increase adoption, engagement, and outcomes, track, document, and communicate account information, leveraging the provided tools. Also assist in developing executive business reviews and joint impact plans. And for this position, they're looking for someone that has customer success or account management experience. So that could be 5 or 8 years respectively. Also superior customer service, presentation, and management skills with the ability to focus on solutions, exceptional organizational and project management skills, able to create clear business processes and execute, outstanding communication and persuasion skills, and some other skills that they listed here, which you guys could go through. Bachelor's degree is preferred for this position, but it is not required. Salary range here is anywhere from $78,000 to $90,000 per year, and you do get the same benefits. So really good deal of high paying opportunities here at Meritech. So if you guys are interested, again, I'll leave the link down below to the careers page, and you can apply to just about any of these jobs that you are interested in. And with that said, just in case you guys have never heard about this company before, they are listed on Glassdoor. Was able to find this company here on Glassdoor. Overall rating is 3.8 out of 5 stars, so fairly good, based out of Austin, Texas. And they have between 1,000 to 5,000 employees on average, over 300 reviews here, and over 550 reported salaries. Take a look at some of the salaries right here. You can see what people actually reported making. So a customer success manager, based on 5 reported salaries, makes an average around $91,000 per year. So that kind of falls in line with the salary that we just saw, or the range that we just saw, which went up to around $90,000 per year. Also, with the annual bonuses here, for example, this position, on average, people are making around $30,000 in annual bonuses. A product or a project manager rather is making around $8,000 in annual bonuses based on 6 salaries submitted. So also keep in mind that even though the salaries are listed there, there is the possibility that you could be getting an annual bonus or other bonuses which could increase your earnings here. A customer support engineer is making around $92,000 per year. And again, you could go through all the salaries here to see what people reported making depending on the job. Now, with that covered, just in case you guys are struggling with your resume or struggling with landing interviews, here's a resource that I created which will help you land more interviews and in turn get more job offers. So these are the pro resume templates, professionally done, eye-catching, and interview landing resume templates that have been optimized for the ATS system. 3 resume templates. They come with instructions on how to customize them depending on the type of job that you're applying to. That way you can customize these templates while everything remains ATS compliant. Also, 3 matching cover letter templates with instructions as well, matching reference pages, matching thank you letters if you want to use those. Everything is fully customizable. You can use Google Docs to customize these, so you can do that on a MacBook or a PC or even your tablet or phone, whatever you choose to use, you could do that. And again, everything here is fully customizable. And there's also a screen recording included that shows you guys exactly how to go about editing these very quickly in just about 5 minutes. So if you do need this resource, if you are struggling with your resume or with landing interviews, be sure to check this resource. The link is down below. I'll leave it in the description down below so you guys can easily find that. So with that said, these are all the job leads for today from Meritech. Again, if you are interested in any of these positions, be sure to go ahead and apply as soon as you possibly can, because a lot of these jobs are going to be pulled, or the listings are going to be pulled very quickly because of the amount of people applying for these jobs, especially since most of them, they don't require a college degree. At the most, you just need some experience and you can get in these jobs. So again, be sure to go ahead and apply as soon as possible. But with all that covered, all the best in your job hunt, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.